just boxes and boxes and a clean slate. A clean slate. Hear that, Pluto? A clean slate. Today. You better be going to good things. What's really going on, PEZ Collecting Fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I'm excited. I want to know what's in this box. It's a special gift. Oh, this is so cool. Oh no, it's gonna get me. I'm gonna have to do it this way. Oh, wow. This is really cool. I'm speechless. This is so cool. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So here we have a Steampunk Captain Crunch as made by Misty Hunt out of Nevada. So Misty is big time into the steampunk and PEZ scene. If you do have a PEZ Cal A, please let her know she's trying to expand her herd. Now, Misty helped me out with the PEZbook logo, and that's not just all of her artistic talent. She's able to do things like this as well. Wow, these are absolutely amazing. Very cool. And now I have my very own Steampunk Crunch. Yes. So cool. Even love the paint. Amazing. Haha, PEZ art is so much fun. So until next time.